one of the most dangerous incidents SC a weekend. So you need ben omo ekobo nukunu wo nkran area hɔ a yɛde helicopter kosi wiem bo asama bizavo asama yɛsi ɛwɔ Garu, and I think that we need to look at this on Facebook page. Ya mensa Brakofi, the system is poor in this country called Ghana. Ernest Enyakon, when is Ghana going to get this? Ghana need national development plan. My brother, Ubi and Beba, MPP ba or the Opesway, NDC ba or the Opesway. Mine or the iron just a serious psyche, and we can develop it. Over Facebook page, military astormy Garu. Na for assault akoso hono. Is so terrible. Military na nemu na okwa activity man temu a kyese yese nkwala emema ema ubia yese akwala na national security the statement about Akoma FM 87.9 Kromo for twitio ewo military ni so na military so sabi tuo na nya bofre wonye police ni wache na ayen na nya doa na wagya ho and omode helicopter ATC wiem. What? Now you will just love the ambience. Said ye sichi ni papa. Na ye desi womo. Msafo she ni pedi bia prepare Facebook page. Pictures ni bi ni o. Video chase nipa moja nani said ya so you not even know what happened. My uncle ye reporter Rabiu Tanko and Chain. I Akoma 87.9 FM. Rabiu.
Good morning.
Na Bibi Abako there.
Yes, everything is okay.
What exactly is the situation? Then of course what just say hey now where the crowd in the team moja na what happened?
Thank you very much. As I speak, Garu and its environs for now, cameras restored after the military stormed the place to neutralize the people. If you recall, last week or within this week, early this week, there was a report that some residents of Garu were suspecting a vehicle that was carrying some weapon, not knowing it was the national security deputies who were assigned to the area to monitor things that were happening from the Burkina Faso. You know, Garu is closer to the Burkina Faso border. We had this activity, so that was the reason why they were assigned there. So these residents, you know, the population to ascertain in it. So they were suspecting the vehicle, the DH and one Tanuka that was moving down the town. So the youth thought that they were making that to the population. So something went on, and then they confronted the national security guys, and then we wanted to search the car, and then they refused. So at the end, the national security guys revealed themselves that they are national security guys. So why should they search their car? And then the youth refused, and then started from the reports we are hearing, they were shooting the car. So the national security guys were able to manage to get to the police station. Yet the youth went okay. So they followed the car to the police station and started shooting around the police station. So yesterday dawn, some little personnel from the area 87.9 Kumasi. It's as a retaliation of what they did to the national security. So a lot of the guys there have run away. As I said to you, most of the youth in the area have run away after a lot of them were attacked by the or were beaten by the military. Yesterday, when I checked, most of the health facilities in the area are full of people with wounded. They were injured. Though we have not heard about anybody dying, but a lot of them are receiving treatment at the various health centers in the Garu district.
So we have many of them hospitalized.
Yes, a lot of them. A lot of from my investigation, most of the health facilities in the Garu are full. Whilst others, I have managed to cross over to the Boku and Biduri health center, and lots have run away to either Boku or other surrounding towns around the Garu district. So it was a massive raid by the military.
So the beating was as a result of the community attacking a national security or military officers. Is that the case?
Yeah, exactly. Even yesterday, the national security issued a statement which has to do with that, which pointed out the reason for the attack. So it was from the attack by the youth that led to the military invading the place.
And everybody randomly, everybody at site was a victim.
Yes, because when they stormed the area, they were beating anybody, but they were able to arrest some of the suspects whom they suspected that were the main people who attacked the place, and then about 4 AK-47 were retrieved from them. Yes, so some were arrested and then sent to the Bazua military camp as of yesterday. But I will not be able to say whether they have been brought together here, but they were arrested by the military, and then 4 AK-47 was retrieved from them.
Hey, AK-47 were retrieved from the young men?
From the youth, yes. From the youth who were suspected to be those who attacked the national security officials at the police station.
So they attacked them at the police station. Is that the case?
Yes, exactly. Because when they confronted them in the Garu town, the military managed to take refuge at the police station. So the youth followed them again at the police station, started firing at the police station.
Why were they not in uniform?
No. They were in their normal dress.
Wow. and it was I want to believe it was a total showdown.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So as I said to you, a lot of the youth are run away. You only see women and children around the place. But as of yesterday evening, the place is calm. But the military are still around the place.
So how long did it take for all these brutal assault, the exercise? How long did it take? How long did it last in terms of?
Yes, it started yesterday done around 1 a.m. and it ended in the evening.
Hey.
So from 1 a.m. to evening, the military were there in the beach.
And they were just beating everybody.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because of what had happened to the national security officials.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But you said even at the police station, the youth stormed the police station.
Yes, exactly. They stormed the police station, started firing at the V8 and then the other car. So they have to deploy military from Boku to come in and then disperse them. So it was yesterday dawn that the military entered the proper.
Wow. This youth, I mean, why would you be storming at the police station when people have even gone there to seek refuge?
87.9 Kumasi.
A serious out of violence from the youth. But anyway, see, Cam, you said has returned, right?
Yeah. Come has returned. I'm here to check on whether the youth are returning, but most of them who were beaten are currently at the various health centers receiving. The MP wasn't happy about what had happened. He expressed his dissatisfaction about the attitude of the military for beating everybody. So
Akoma
I believe the respect will be having a meeting. I saw it in the regional minister, but he declined to talk because investigations are still ongoing. That he cannot talk because it was too early today. So today he'll be. I think they'll be having a respect meeting to iron out these issues.
Okay. Rabel Tanko is our reporter. Before Yunia Tanko and our mote sem Orchere and Nema Hodwa Akoso na before we the issues are would be a free activido mantem. Before commoding na Obano pay with Facebook page. Asra for Akwache residents ewo Garu Timponi ewo activido mantem. Na asemwa aba nyina ne se wo mo estormi ho after say wo makwa akwache national security for na wo so wo use wo car attack wo security for adwane akọ police station kra na chese mabunu no atiegu police station ho ene demanding the police tutuo eko police station wo release wo mo na wo nye wo se Sodom ni Gomora na military for area na samabo mo wie dia na mo so mo magie afi mo ba ya
87.9
Kumasi. Why would the youth go na makwakwata even when the people have rushed to police station? Ghana the enim say ko bi do police station embra no oye hwan o we kromfo kra at least he will be pardoned because wakwa could do police station. Then never be a dro no say nipa could do police station kra you forcibly demand the release of that person from the police station. This is a serious thing. And I think, sir, we need to deal with it from all angles. But we hope and pray. South JB team so about we will interrogate with officers. But we'll share some of the victims. Said yes, ya
Akoma FM 87.9
na helicopter nem wiem over Facebook page. Adia ne nya se ketwo. Just say, some of the a member man and you know. It was so much such that it was a total showdown from almost your operation from air, sea, land, everywhere. Baby, and it was so serious. I want to believe, sir, we need to deal with some of these things, the reactions and community. May I now everybody say the victim will be our ordinary, the innocent ones, and I'll be one. The real perpetrators in the crowd will be. So you may have innocent ones being a victim to the circumstances, and will be a serious thing that we always need to look at. The military, the last time Omuku and they went there, storm Accra. Dr. Thomas Anaba. NDC